All right, recording the sewer line here at 215 Queen Anne Ave North. Date's July 29th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the 6-inch diameter SDR35 access, currently in the foundation of an open construction site. So we are down in a trench, a few feet underground surface. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main right there, raging by on Queen Anne Ave North. As we come back, we come into a turn with a connection. So on the back side, on the right side here, it's kind of tough to see there, but that turn looks like a connection point. It's going kind of a zigzag right down here near the main. And on the sewer map, it shows a potential connection from the building to the south here. So I'm going to come back from that point, get a look at this line. This is 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. So I'm getting 41 feet of 6-inch diameter concrete pipe until we get to that Seattle City main there. Back into this SDR35 PVC. There's our current access point down here. We're at the construction site right now. There's our access. And end the video there.